People often ask when our house will be finished, but the truth is we are barely halfway through. We've come up against rotting floors, crumbling ceilings, walls made with horsehair, yeah, the lot. We've been working on this massive renovation for nearly 3 years. It was the only way to make our dreams of living in London come true, but boy have we paid the price in time, money and energy. So far we've transformed so many spaces. Our lounge went from an actual mud pit, no I'm not exaggerating when I say that, to a peaceful Victorian sanctuary. This ugly vacant space went from rundown ruin to the home office of our dreams. No more holes in the floor, or the ceiling for that matter. We said goodbye to the granny wallpaper and carpet in the hallway and brought some period charm back, with plenty of modern touches of course. This staircase is 130 years old, can you believe? This transformation is a whole nother story for another time. Our kitchen and dining room went from pokey antechamber and the saddest kitchen on earth to a colourful light space with flow and flair and a fun pink tap, because why would you not want to have a pink tap? And finally, the most recent project, our bathroom. Well, what can I say? This is the power of renovation, some bold tiles and tearing your ceiling down on a whim. All for the better, of course. Now we have probably the biggest bathroom I've ever seen. So what's next, I hear you cry? Well, we've still got our master bedroom in need of a major makeover, a spare room that's given 1980s disaster, even the carpet appears to have died in here, and an original loft room which feels so haunted I have some serious questions like, what on earth happened in here? Did Victorian children freeze to death in here? Was it used to keep livestock? Did a runaway criminal live in the walls? Who knows? We have got our eyes on one particular space to renovate in 2024, but which space do you think that is? Let me know in the comments and follow along if you want to see us muddle our way through another round of horrendous renovating this year. All the best.